Hi, today we'll have a look at how to use the issue tracking Excel template. First, let's go into the settings page. As you can see, the main landing page allows you to enter and change data lists that affect data input fields throughout the dashboard. First, we have the channel list, email, phone, etc. Let's add a new one called mail. Perfect. We then have the category list. We have sales, logistics, financial, HR, and projects. Let's add a new one that we'll call product. Awesome. Next, the priority. At the moment, we have low, medium, high, and urgent. We'll leave it as is. The status list with open and close options that we'll once again leave as is. And the customer evaluation. Let's add perfect. All right, let's go into the submenu, assignee registration. This is where we list all of the assignees that will be dealing with the issues or tickets. Let's add a new agent. To stay on theme, we'll call him Rembrandt. Great. Now, let's head to the main data input section, the ticket database. This is where we enter all tickets that were raised and their corresponding details. Let's enter a new record together. We'll say the customer's name was John Smith. His email, let's just put a dummy email. And the dummy phone number. Let's say he contacted the company via mail, our newly created channel. And we'll invent a complaint. Let's say the product did not work when I tried this setting. This is a product-related complaint, so we'll update the category. As for the opening date, let's say we received the complaint on the 2nd of October. And as for the priority, let's say this task is high priority. And for the assignee, we'll set our new agent, Rembrandt. As for the solution description and the closing date, let's say the issue is not quite resolved yet, so we will leave this field blank. We'll indicate that the ticket is still open and leave the customer evaluation blank as well. That's it. We're now ready to look at the report. Firstly, the open ticket report. Before doing anything, it is important to hit the refresh button to ensure the newly entered or updated data is taken into account. Great. This report shows all the open tickets and allows you to filter by date, month, and year. By assignee, let's select our newly created assignee, Rembrandt. As you can see, our newly created ticket appears. We can also filter by category, or finally, by channel. Let's look into the monthly status report. This table indicates the number of tickets open or closed per month, while the bar chart shows the total number of tasks per month and the pie chart the total number of open versus closed tasks in terms of percentage. Finally, the dashboard. Once again, hit refresh to ensure you're reporting on the latest data. The dashboard provides you with an overview of the main metrics, from the total number of tickets and the average resolution time, to the tickets by assignee and status, and the percentage happiness rating by assignee. You can choose to filter the dashboard to only visualize specific tickets. You can, for example, select a time range with the month and year. You can also filter by one or multiple assignee. And finally, you can also decide to filter by an issue category. And that's it. You know everything you need to know about our issue tracking Excel template, and you're ready to start using it now. Enjoy!